Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft server for TLauncher. So first, we'll be downloading the server and we'll be using PaperMinecraft. And this is the URL. It's there in the description, and you will come to this site, and here you have to download the latest version. So we'll be downloading Paper 1.2.1.8. So click download, and once it's download, go to the downloads folder. Okay, so this is the file. This is the server file here. For convenience, I'm gonna paste it on desktop, and in desktop let's make a new folder, TLauncher server, and paste it in that. Okay, so this is here now. Next thing is we need to create a bat file, which is the file which we can use to open the server and get it running. So for that we need to open notepad. So I have notepad open here, and copy this code. So this is also there in the description. So copy this code and paste it on notepad. Then we have to save it in this file, save it in this folder which we just made now. Click save as and TLauncher server and name it start.bat and save as type, change it to all files and click save. Okay, so before closing this, we need to change the file name. So here, instead of paper 1.21.1, let's change it to server. So now it is server.jar, then save it, and here also this file name which we downloaded, change that to server. Okay, now double click on start, so the server will first run. As you can see, it started. It's downloading all the necessary files and making everything inside this folder. So we'll wait, and now it stopped. So it's showing press any key to continue. So it stopped first because now we have to open the user agreement, which is this file, which is EULA. So double click that. So this is the EULA file, and here we have to change this EULA. Now it's false, so we have to make it true to accept it. Now save it and close it, and again restart the server. So to start the server, we have to double click this bat file, and now the server is again up and running. No, it's starting. It's not running yet. And now our server is running. So this was our server, and now we closed it. And next we have to configure the server.properties file in this folder. So here we can find server properties file. So this is the file server. Here you can see properties file. Now double click to open that, and it'll actually open up in notepad. Open it in notepad if it doesn't, and go down and search for online mode. Okay, so here you can see online mode. So currently it's true. We have to make it false, so that it will allow players to join offline mode, which means like everyone. So this is the settings we have to change in properties, which will allow players who doesn't have the official launcher also to join. So this is done. Now save it and close it. Okay, so right now our server is running. So to join the server, now we have to find our IPv4 address. For that, click Windows plus R, and in this window type CMD. Now it will open the command prompt, and here we have to type ipconfig, and here we have to find the IPv4 address. So for me, this is the IPv4 address. I'll copy this and save it for later. So let's open another notepad and save it here. And this is our IPv4 address. Okay, so now we've changed the online mode in server properties. So the next thing is we need to get our server running on the internet, so that people can access it through internet, like our friends can join through internet. So for that we need to go to play.gg and go to the downloads option, download the installer. It's downloaded. Let's install it. Okay, so we are getting this error. This publisher has been blocked from running software on your machine. So this is like a basic security thing. So go to the folder. Now right click on this file and go to properties. So in that there is the in general tab. At the end there is the security. So click unblock here and click apply and OK. So now you are able to install it. So let's install it. So for me it's showing change, repair and remove because I have it already installed. So you know what, let me reinstall it. So this is what will come for you guys. So once we install it, we'll see the icon on desktop. So double click to open it, and here we'll get this message, visit link to setup. So you know what, we'll click this. Or before doing that, we need to make an account. So I already have made an account. Here you can click login and make an account with your email ID. It's a pretty easy thing. So here you can click create account and make one. So I already have one, so let me just log in. Okay, after logging in, now you have to come back here and copy this link. Copy it and paste it. So now it will show waiting for agent to connect. We'll wait, and Yeah, so now we can click continue, and the agent name, you know what, I'll just give TLauncher. So you can give whatever you want. Now click add agent. So it's wait for Plate program to connect to a server. So it's actually working. This Plate.gg terminal is working in the background. So we'll wait and see. Now it's done. So the next step is create tunnel. So click create tunnel, and here we are going to use the use shared IP. Region is global anycast, and in tunnel type select Minecraft Java and click add tunnel. Now the tunnel is pending. Okay, so now the tunnel is active. So now we have to get the IP4 which we saved before. So copy that IP and paste it here in update local address, and in local address paste that, and the local port is we don't need to change it. So this is the right one, and update it. So now that is updated and our tunnel is ready. So this is our IP. So here in the top section Minecraft Java, and this is our IP. So now copy this and keep it safe. So this is the IP which we can share to our friends so that they can join from their game. So you know what, let's actually try it. I've copied it. So now let's go back to our server folder and start our server. Okay, the server is now up and our tunnel is also there. So the tunnel, we didn't close it, right? So the tunnel is active and our server is also active. Now let's open TLauncher and enter into the game. So we are gonna enter the same version as our server, which is 1.1.8. Enter game, and here we need to click multiplayer. So if it's the first time you are opening it, it'll ask for access, so click allow. Now click add server, and in the server we can give TLauncher server, whatever name you want, and server address we have to paste the address which we got from plate.gg. So copy this and paste this. So, and this is the IP which you can share to your friends who can join the server, and click done. Okay, so now you can see the server is actually online, and double click it to join, and it's working. And apparently I am dying. Wait, I'm dying of suffocation. Damn it. Oh, you know what, let's wait. Okay, respawn. Wait, where did I even spawn, man? Apparently I spawned inside the wall or something. Okay, I suffocated in wall. Okay, so now guys, as you can see, it's all fine. We've joined the server using TLauncher. So that is how you make a server. Okay, you know what? Let me just show you guys from the beginning. So first let's close everything. Let's close the tunnel. Let's close the server, and even this browser we can close. So once this is set up in the browser in play.gg, we just need to copy the link and save it somewhere. We can close the browser. We don't really need the browser right now. So first, what you want to do is open your server, which is in this folder in desktop, TLauncher server, and click start. So it will start the server. So while the server is starting, we have to open play.gg on desktop. So that's another terminal which will now start. So wait for both of these to get set up. So now it's starting tunnel. We'll wait, and it will actually show if it's running. Okay, so tunnel is actually running for Minecraft Java. So the tunnel is done, even the server is started. So now both are running. Now we can open Minecraft. So let's open TLauncher and make sure the version is same as our server, and click enter, and click multiplayer and join through the server which you made before. And that's it, guys. This is how you make a TLauncher server. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, click the like button and subscribe, and comment. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comments. I'll reply. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and bye.